Hello everyone, welcome to my project ideas channel. Today we will learn how to use the photoresistor sensor to glue LED using Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, we have used breadboard, photoresistor sensor, Arduino, one LED, two resistors and a few connecting wires. So now let us see how to connect these components. So first of all, we have connected this cathode terminal of the LED to the one end of the resistor and the second resistor to this the GND, that is the ground, and the second terminal of this LED, that is the anode, to the 13 number pin of the Arduino. Now similarly, this is the photoresistor sensor and we are connecting the first terminal of it to the resistor and second terminal of the resistor to this GND, that is the ground pin of the Arduino. And the same pin we are also connecting to this A0 pin of this Arduino in the analog side. And the second terminal of this photoresistor sensor we are connecting to this 5 volt pin of the Arduino for the power component. Now let us see how the code will be. So this is a short and sweet code for this. First of all, we are declaring an integer variable p sensor value equals to 0. Then we are using these two functions, setup and loop. Setup function is used to configure the pin mode of this Arduino. Over here, we are configuring this A0 pin for the input purpose and 13 number pin for the output purpose. And this is the serial begin. It will say us that what is the speed of the serial connection. Over here we are using that as 9600 bits per second. Now on this void loop function, what we are doing is we are reading this input from A0 pin and storing its value in this P sensor value, and we are printing its value in the serial monitor. After it, we are mapping this value. So this is the photoresistor sensor. It will have values from 0 to 1023, and this is the LED. It will have value from 0 to 233. So we are using this delay function of 1000 milliseconds. Now let us see how it will work. So I have clicked in the start simulation. As you can see over here, there is no light, okay, and the LED is not glowing. Now I'm increasing the intensity of the source light. As you can see, the LED is glowing. Again, when I'm decreasing it, the LED's intensity is also decreasing, and I'm increasing it, the LED's intensity is also increasing. And this way, our sensor will work. Hope you will like it. Thank you.